Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Climate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a YouTube thumbnail after uploading it. For a number of reasons, you may not like your thumbnail and you can still replace it or change it by producing or generating or designing an appropriate thumbnail. You can even change a little bit the title on the thumbnails. So generally, you can change or replace a thumbnail after uploading it to your YouTube account. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process how to replace your thumbnail on YouTube. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Stay tuned. To change or replace your thumbnail, you have to go first to your YouTube channel, then click Manage Videos. Then all the videos you have uploaded will pop up. Then these are the list of videos you have uploaded, and go to the video that you think its thumbnail is bad or not attractive. So I will show you an example. So I think this thumbnail is not that much interesting. If I think this is not interesting thumbnail or not attractive for an audience, I can change it by clicking on this pencil shaped icon. So click on this pencil shaped icon, click it, then you will come it will pop up with video details. In here you can update almost anything. You can update the title, the video description, the thumbnail, the playlists, the audience, anything including tags you can update. But in this case I'm going to show you how to replace the thumbnail only. So to replace the thumbnail on this video, click on these three white dots, click, and it will show you change, download, auto generated, and A/B testing. So in this case I'm going to show you how to change it. Click change. Then I have already prepared an appropriate and interesting thumbnail for this case. So I will click and upload it for my PC. It's uploading. It's uploading it. Then it's uploaded. It looks similar, but I am going to I simply want to show you the process. Then click Save to finish changing your thumbnail. Yeah, so it's over. I have replaced my thumbnail successfully. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share my videos to your friends, and you can leave me any comment if you have. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.